Good morning, dear student. Today we are going to discuss a very new topic, an interesting topic about the noun, that is the possessive nouns. Words that show ownership are called possessive nouns. A noun is possessive if a phrase can be changed to say that an item or idea belongs to someone else. For example, the paintbrush that belonged to the artist was lost. That in possessive, the artist's paintbrush was lost. Possessive nouns are used to show that someone owns something. Here is a chart. Here are the noun Pam, cat, Sam. In possessive form, we can say Pam's cat, the cat's tail, Sam's knee. An apostrophe is used to show the ownership. The possessive form can also show an feature or a characteristic. For example, river, river's edge, train, train's wheels, sun, sun's heat. Now let us see how to make the possessive nouns with the rules by using the regular noun. Here is the rule: to show possession of singular nouns, add apostrophe s. To show possession of plural nouns ending in s, add only an apostrophe. For example, runners, here is a plural form of regular noun. So the runners, the apostrophe will add to the last letter. Cows, cows meal, tree, trees, apples. Now let us see the possessive nouns rule number 3. To show possession of a plural nouns not ending in s, that means the plural noun which is not add with the last word s, in that case add an apostrophe and s with the given information. For example, children, here we'll change this children into the possessive plural by writing the children, then apostrophe and s, which is mentioned in the picture too. Teeth, teeth's filling. Now just have a recap and a revision with the plural possessive. Here I have highlighted the two charts which can be understand you more about how to use the plural form for the one person, one item, and two person, two item. Let's go with the first revision overview of the definition. If the plural ends in as, just add an apostrophe. If the plural does not end in as, so add an apostrophe and as. Let's go with the revision with the chart. One person, one item. The boy's jacket, my parents' car, my boss hat, the woman's dress, the child's toy, the passers-by glance. Now let's go with the two people, two items. The boy's jackets, my parents' cars, my boss hats, the women's dress, the children's toys, the passers glances. Here we have seen the two differences between that. If we want to make the plural possessive form when the word will not end with the s, so in that case you have to put an apostrophe then s. If we want to change the plural possessive form to the regular noun which is ending with the s, in that case there is no additional s to be added to the word. Only it's simple, you have to add an apostrophe s which is being highlighted in the two people, two item chart. In this way, my dear student, we can change the regular noun form with the possessive form with the singular and plural. For the day, goodbye.